Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Meet the Primos. Today's show, I'm going to drive this 1972 Chevy Nova to a car show. Then I'm going to park it. I'm going to get out and I'm going to give you a full tour of the car and the place. So let's go!
Up there, those two cars that were like kind of close, and I was like, oh, shit, I got two vehicles.
Well, they were ours probably. Right in the beginning?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are ours. Causing all the problem.
Well, I think it's more the guys on the left. They didn't pull all the way up to the front.
I bought that car with the paint and all of the body was already done.
Oh yeah, he knows Johnny's car. Drone would be fun.
Bring another car.
I know, so I said I barely recognized the car.
I looked, you rolled up, I was like,
Pretty, there was one at the thing that was
Not a lot of stuff was wrong with it when we found it.
That's super rare to find your original car you had like in high school.
Yeah, I don't know if it's high school or what, if it was 20.
Peggy's dad just found his old truck and bought it back.
That's what her.
60.
Just seatbelts were just changed that he knew about. And,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It actually looks like it's an Apache, 66 Chevy Apache. Yeah.
Oh, really?
And you got it back for like a good deal. Yeah. Oh, we know him. He's at the other car shows with that. This is 64 Nova, 66.
Isn't that our friend?
Yeah.
Johnny's friend Reese?
That's Johnny's friend, yeah. It's Slick Willie's.
41, I think. 41?
Hey guys, again, thanks for joining us. We are at the car show right now, down here in Southern California. Beautiful day, beautiful cars, beautiful people, enjoying their little hobby here and reminiscing. My buddy's Volkswagen. Not sure what year it is, but it is sick. 1972 Chevy Nova. We got her going back together a little bit. She's running a little 350 brawler carb, 4-barrel. Yeah, pretty beginner level. It'll work. Being restored. Vinyl's good shape. What are you doing, Michelle?
Amazing. The tacos are very excellent. I prefer the steak over the chicken. The beans are amazing. It tastes like it has chorizo in it.
Okay.
The rice is nice and moist and fluffy, flavorful. Overall, I give it maybe a 9.2. Only because the
9.2.
tortillas were a little cold and a little hard, but that doesn't stop from having a great dish.
Well, that's a very good assessment. I think I'll put this camera down and go grab 48 of them.
$10 donation.
Perfect. Bye. Little gasser. What's going on, bro? No Novas allowed. Is that why you parked way over here?
Is your dad coming?
Yeah, he's not coming in the Camaro though.
Oh. His regular car?
Yeah, he's bringing his regular car.
Oh. I was just telling him about how your dad found his old car.
Yeah, that's really why he's trying to sell the other one actually today, I think.
Oh,
Is he?
nice.
I think someone's coming to look at it today.
Dude, I hardly even recognized you with your haircut.
Yeah, I know.
What changed?
Police are here. The eyes. Well, she's having a little problem on the hood, but that's fixable. Or we could do the nice patina look. I'm not sure yet. So we got the front end and back original. Threw on a little hood. We got a whole living room in here.
This is what I want.
Set up a tree. This what you like to have? I know, huh? What's around that? It's cool. Oh, hey guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. We'll bring you more car shows or cars or whatever you want. Have a great day. Thanks again. We out, headed home. Just left the car show. Super fun, super cool cars.